Hi everyone, this bonus training is for those of you who are hiring for multiple job positions at the same time, but you're using only one email to do so. So I'm going to show you how to set up several different canned responses for the different positions so everything is still automated for you. Because this process is nearly identical to what you've already done with canned responses, I'm going to use the same training video you already have and then just highlight what you'll be doing differently.
All right, so now that you've created your job posting, we're going to go ahead and use Gmail to handle the applications you receive. We recommend that you create a Gmail account dedicated specifically to handling the applications.
Remember, in this training video, Amanda showed you how to create the canned responses for the VA position, and we're going to be adding a new canned response in the same email account. Let's say you also want to hire a web designer. Here's what you do. First, create your job posting. You need to know what the subject line is in the How to Apply section from your job posting. This is important because that subject line activates the canned response you're creating. This subject line needs to be unique for each job posting you do, otherwise the canned responses won't work. For the VA job, it was Advanced Virtual Assistant. So for the web design position, you could do Advanced Web Designer.
And we're going to modify some of the settings in your Gmail account. All right, so go ahead and click on the settings icon. Click Settings. Now click the link that says Labs. In the search field, enter the word canned. When it shows canned responses, click Enable. Then you're going to click Save Changes. And now you can create canned responses or automated responses. Okay, open your Ema1lz template.
Remember, you can find the initial job app email template in the download section of Module 2.
Notice in the email there is a line that has question marks. This is where you're going to be inserting a link to the first Google form that the applicants will be filling out.
This step still applies, but you're going to have to create a new Google form for every job position. So in this example, you're creating a Google form for the web designer position.
Now we'll show you how to get that link. At the top of the Gmail banner, click the Apps icon. Click on the icon that says Drive. Now click the Create button and select Form from the pull-down menu. In the field for title, you're going to name your form. There are several design options. Choose whichever you like. We chose Magazine. Now you're going to name your form VA Job Application in the title field.
Make sure the title matches with the new job position. So in this example, this would need to be Web Designer Application.
Click OK. For now, we are not completing this form. We're going to do that later. We just needed to create the URL to add to your Ema1lz template. Click on Done, and then click Send Form. We're going to press Ctrl-C to copy the link to share. Now we're going to use the Google URL shortener to shorten the link. Go to goo.gl in your browser. Use Ctrl-V to paste your URL into the field. Click Shorten URL. Now simply press Ctrl-C to copy the new shortened URL. Go back to your Ema1lz template and paste the link where the question marks were. Now select the whole email template and copy it. Click the Compose button and paste your email template into the body of the email. Be sure to change the signature, company, and email on the bottom to your own information. In the bottom corner of your message window, click the option arrow. Scroll up to Canned Responses and choose New Canned Response. Name it Initial Job App Email. Click OK.
Here is a slight variation. We are naming this one Initial Job App Email Web Designer.
Now you can discard your draft. Don't worry, it automatically saved your canned response for you. Now you're going to be creating a filter that allows the canned response we just created to be sent to applicants automatically. Click on the Settings icon and select Settings. Click the Filters link and click Create a New Filter. If you remember, in the original job posting, you told the applicants to enter a specific subject line when they emailed their resume. It was Advanced Virtual Assistant. Type that into the field that says Subject.
Here's where the subject line, Advanced Web Designer, instructions from the job posting come into play, instead of Advanced Virtual Assistant. You're going to copy and paste the exact subject line that you gave in the job posting. In this example, you would put Advanced Web Designer.
So now, whenever someone emails you with the subject Advanced Virtual Assistant, they'll get the automatic canned email sent to them. Now, click the link that says Create Filter with this search. Now we're going to create a label that will add job applicants to their own folder to make them easier for you to find. Click the box Apply Label, and in the pull-down menu, choose New Label. Name the label Job Apps Followed Directions. Click the Create button.
Remember, you already have this label from your first job posting, so we are going to distinguish this new position by naming the label Job App Followed Directions, and then the position name. So here it would be Job App Followed Directions Web Designer.
You'll now click Skip the Inbox and mark as read. Then click Send Canned Response and select the response we created called Initial Job App Email.
Again, another slight variation here. This should say Initial Job App Email Web Designer.
Click Create Filter. That's it.
And that's all you have to do. Now you know how to use this system for hiring for several positions at once from the same email. Keep working hard, guys. We hope this video provided some clarity on this topic.